all to my channel, The Interactive and Awakening Mind. So today's our chapter is of mathematics, the symmetry. Okay, so let us start. So here you can see, firstly we need to understand what is symmetry or symmetrical line. Okay, so symmetry is nothing. It is a line which divides the object into two equal halves. It means if you take your book, just take one copy or book and just you will see you open when you open your copy, it is divided into two equal halves until you cut it. Okay, don't try to cut it. Just open your copy and just see. Isn't it equal? It is. But when you turn off your copy or when you close your copy, you will see that it only follows a shape that is called a rectangle. Okay, there is no any line of symmetry looking like or any folded line, but when you open it, it follows the symmetrical line. So suppose for example I am taking a shape. Okay, we all love the heart. Okay, isn't it? Everyone loves the heart shape. So I am taking that only. See, yeah, we have drawn it. Here you can see this heart, and how whenever you have drawn the broken heart, what you do? Firstly, you cut it, this heart, you cut it from between, and then just make the crappers and scrapers along the edges. Is it? Yeah. Okay, so when you cut it from between, what you are doing? First you are folding, you are finding out what is the center, and then you are cutting out. Isn't it? Yeah. Then when you cut out, what you are doing? You are making the line of symmetry here. This is the line of symmetry which divides this heart into two equal parts. Okay, or when you fold your heart, when just draw a heart and cut it and just take out the heart and just fold it. Okay, just do this one time and you will see that just fold it from center and you will see that it is dividing this heart into two equal halves. That line which divides the object into two equal halves is called symmetrical object. Now, symmetrical line. Okay. Now we are going to understand the object. What is symmetrical object? The object which can be divided into two equal parts. This object is called symmetrical object. Okay, so here you can see that it is saying that the object. What we mean by object? Object means it is type of material on which we are working. So what is the material in this symmetrical object? It is the heart. If the heart is not there, then the line can't be drawn. Okay, so no problem. I hope you have understood this. So let us move on. Now here are some examples. You can see this. Okay, I am changing my color. Let us take light blue. Okay, have you ever chopped the apple from between? Yeah, everybody has done in some time of their life. Yeah, so that is only when you cut it, you will cut it in the between from the center, so that you will get two equal halves. So here we can say this is the line of symmetry and symmetry line, and this is the symmetrical object. Okay, here what is this? Is the line of symmetry and this is the object. Here also the heart, it is the symmetry line, and here the object. Here also in the ladybug, this is the line of symmetry and this is the object. If the ladybug is not there, we can't draw the line of symmetry over it. Here also, here is the arrow, here is the line of symmetry. In the flowers, it has so many intricate patterns. Okay, it is so attractive, but it also follows the symmetrical object and line. Okay, and this is in the home, this is the line of symmetry and this is the object. In the aeroplane in which you travel, it also follows the line of symmetry. This is the line and this is the object. So I hope you understood from all these examples. Now I'm going to tell you, even the nature follows the line of symmetry. Don't believe me? Let us take a trip to it. Okay? So, here, firstly, let us talk about winter. Everyone enjoys the winter because it has snow, it has snowfalls, and even the snowflakes. Everyone has played from the snowflakes. What are the types of intricate pattern it have? It attracts everyone. Okay? So, if you see it clearly, if you see it not from very far, if you see it very clearly and closely, you will look at that it also follows the line of symmetry. Let me change the color so that you can see it. Here, you can see it. This is the line of symmetry, and not only one, it follows many, like this, like this, like this. So it have 1, 2, and then 3, and then 4 lines of symmetry. Okay, let us move on. What is the next step? Oh, everyone enjoys the summer, the beaches. It remembers a lot of stuff also, but okay, so let us don't forget our topic. Here our main focus is the sun, because sun is very hot, then only we can enjoy the summers. So the sun is also following the line of symmetries. Just look at it. How many lines of symmetry? Isn't it? So it has infinite line of symmetry. I want to tell you, infinite means endless, which has no end. Okay? It has infinite line of symmetry. Just remember all these lines. Snowflake have 4 lines. Sun have infinite lines, because maybe questions can come from this. Okay, so what is our next step? Oh, the rainy season. Yeah, the puddles. Yeah, amazing. I really enjoy the rainy season. Wouldn't you? Okay, no problem. So, in the rainy season, our main focus is on the water drop. Water drop also follows the line of symmetry. And what is that? This is the line of symmetry. Let me change the color so that you can see. Yeah, I hope you are able to see this. So if you take or draw water drop on a copy and just fold it, you will see that it also follows the line of symmetry, but only one. Okay, so let us move on. Okay, what is the next? Oh wow, the spring season. Yeah, the springs. Everyone loved the spring because it brought lot of memories. We play outside, we sing outside, we go on trips. Okay, we enjoy now? Yeah, we enjoy. Okay, so move on. In spring, whatever you see, the new leaves of the tree, it also follows the line of symmetry. Let me change the color so that you can see. Yeah, I hope you are able to see it now. Okay, yeah, now you are able to see. So this also follows the line of symmetry, because when you fold the leaf, it will give you the same line. Okay, and two parts. The beautiful butterfly. Everyone loves the butterfly, to catch it and just make a fun with it. Just do fun. Okay, so it also follows the line of symmetry. What is that? Ever you have seen the butterfly shaking the flower juice? It lowers its wing, and then when you see it, it will divide itself into two halves, equal halves even. Okay, so now the flowers. Oh wow, everyone loves the flowers. It also follows many line of symmetry. It depends on the flower shape. Okay, just see it that it follows or not the shape. Okay, because the flower in my picture is circle, that's why it has infinite lines of symmetry from my side. Okay, so let us begin with some questions or exercises. Okay, so our first question is, how many lines of symmetry are there in the sun? Yeah, just see it. It has came. Okay, come. It has come. Okay, so let us change the color. We know that. Let us draw the sun first. Here is the sun. Now let us draw the line of symmetry. It has endless lines of symmetry. Let us see. Here is endless. No, here is one, here is two. Infinite. So I have told you what is the meaning of infinite. The endless. So here the infinite is our correct answer. Okay. Now our second question is, how many lines are there in the snowflake question? Okay, it is the question. So here the snowflake has also given, because many types of snowflake has came now. So here you can see this. I hope you are able to see it. It follows, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines of symmetry. Okay, now let us move on. Okay. Now we have to draw the line of symmetry. What is the question? How many line of symmetry are there in following figures, and draw them. Okay, we have to draw it. Okay, so our first question is star. So maybe like this. Let me change the color for you. The line will like this and like this. Hey, there is one more possible way, like this, because when you are going to fold it, it will give you the same line of symmetry. Okay, so let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 line of symmetry. Now what is the next step? The basket or the balti, which used to bath in. Okay, so it has also one line of symmetry, so only one. Okay, now a plus sign. So remember always, here it is also kind of plus, but here it has 4 line of symmetry. So our first these two, and then third one, and then fourth one. So it also follows the 4 line of symmetry. Hey, it is a ginger man kind of something, or geometrical man. It is looking very fun. Okay, so let us enjoy, but be serious with your chapters also. So let us see. Only one line of symmetry can be formed here. Okay, in this, what do you think? Just solve it. It is very easy actually. Okay, no problem. Let us solve it, we both. Now first, second, third, fourth, but it is a regular hexagon. Hexagon means a polygon, or a polygon which has 6 sides. So let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It has 6 sides. So obviously it will have the same thing, because when we count it like this, 1, 2 and 3, so here, and 1, 2, 3, like here. So it has 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and then 5, 6. Yeah, 6 lines of symmetry. I hope you understood. Here is a complicated one. Here is star also, the hexagon also, and the circle also. But our main focus will be on star. So first line of symmetry like this, second line is this, and third line is this, fourth line is this. Okay, so 4 line of symmetry only. Okay, so thank you everyone. I hope you enjoyed my video. Let us end with one beautiful thought. A life is a book, said by Buddha. Some chapters sad, some happy, and some exciting. But if you never turn the page, you will never know what the next chapter holds. It means that there are a lot of series in our life, there are a lot of movement in our life, like there are a lot of scenes in our life, like sad scenes, whenever you got sad, whenever you got happy. But and there are also some exciting chapters, exciting movements. Okay, so, but if you never turn your page, if you never look the forward, that what is the next chapter, then you will never know what is that. Like whenever you are reading a chapter, you want to read the next chapter if you have completed that. But if you don't want, then you will never know what is the happiness in that, what is the excitement in that. So always remember, always try to be happy in every situation. Thank you everyone. Thank you.